In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 reasons you should be bullish on gold. We're not going to waste your time. Let's get straight into it. Reason number 1. If you haven't been focusing on the charts, you probably didn't even notice this. You just see a bunch of red candles, white candles. You don't see it, okay? So let me point it out for you. You have a cup and handle formation with extremely strong volume accelerating on the right part of this cup and handle. This is a very bullish chart pattern for gold, and if you thought that that was it, you're totally wrong. Actually, zoom out to the quarterly chart. You're going to see the mother of all cup and handles is forming over a 10-year period since 2011, 2012. We've been forming one of the most beautiful bullish chart patterns you've ever seen in your life. It probably will go down as one of the most bullish charts you've ever seen in your life. Whether that's 80 years or 100 years from now, it's safe to say this will be one of the best charts you ever see. So you've got a cup and handle on the quarterly 10-year time frame, and you've got a cup and handle on the daily time frame. So that's as bullish as it gets when it comes to a chart pattern and signifying the strength of gold here. So that's reason number 1. Reason number 2 you should be bullish on gold is because look at this. It's actually been inversely correlated to Bitcoin. So here in March and April, what do you notice about gold? It set a bottom. Okay, so double bottom in gold, double top in Bitcoin. And so double top in Bitcoin followed by a drop, double bottom in gold followed by a rise. Now, they've been extremely tightly inversely correlated. Now, if you don't believe me, just based on what I've shown you there, I totally understand. The reason being is in previous years, gold and Bitcoin have not been inversely correlated, but they have been this year in 2021. So it's important to notice these shifts and these things. So that being said, I hope that makes sense. Now, to further show this to you, we're going to look here. Back 3 days ago, you see gold skyrockets higher 40 points within literally 40 minutes. And so during this exact time frame and period, you're going to notice this is exactly when Bitcoin was crashing. Once again, 3 days ago. So 1 day ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, Bitcoin is crashing from 43,000 to 30,000, just like we predicted. And in this exact time frame, people are flooding into gold at the exact same time. So hopefully I have proven to you the recent inverse correlation between gold and Bitcoin. Hopefully that makes sense. That's your reason number 2, is when Bitcoin is officially bearish and in a downtrend. That once again further confirms and signals to us the uptrend that is forming and taking place here in gold. That's reason number 2. Now, reason number 3 you want to be bullish on gold is because it's finally broken out of its major downtrend that has lasted for almost an entire year now. We set the peak in August here last year in 2020, had a huge drought, severe and bearish downtrend, and now we finally break out. Now, what you should notice about this breakout of the downtrend is, first off, so many institutions, so many gold bulls are raging bullish at this point, and they have good reason to. If you actually look at the trend breakout here, you break out on extremely strong volume here through the trend line that we just went over. You retest the trend, and once again, you see incredible volume come back up, pick the price of gold, and shoot it higher. That is your third reason, a confirmation and breakout of a major and severe downtrend in gold. And fourth and final reason that you should be bullish on gold is because during this time that we were just kind of going over here, right? 3 days ago, Bitcoin is absolutely crashing when gold is skyrocketing. On top of that, you should notice the S&P 500 3 days ago, 1, 2, 3 was also crashing. It was in panic sell-off mode. And so when Bitcoin and the S&P 500 are crashing, once again, gold was doing the exact opposite. So this is how you find strong equities, commodities, whatever it is that you're trading. You want to find who is still bullish when the market is bearish. Who are they rotating into when everyone's panicking and everyone's selling? And gold is exactly that. Everyone's been piling in despite the bearish conditions and panicking that's been going on in the markets recently. So those are 4 concise reasons you should be bullish. Now, fifth reason to be bullish on gold is if the U.S. gets its hands on a digital currency. We just had Jerome Powell speak on this matter last week. And so just think about it, right? If you thought quantitative easing was easy now, if you thought the process of inflating the money supply was easy now, just imagine how much easier it's going to be when we have a digital currency. Okay, now sixth and final reason to be bullish on gold is because the US is going to start to require that any crypto transfers above 10 grand be reported to the IRS, which is obviously great for gold. And so, guys, that is 6 bullish reasons for gold. There are so many more that we can get into. But if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like. But there is one key takeaway I want you to get from this by the end of this video. It's that you can come up with all the reasons in the world, you know, digital currency, crypto taxes, I mean, all the reasons you could come up with, but ultimately, the only reason you needed was the first reason we went over in this video, which was the chart pattern, which has been forming for 10 years now in gold. It's, once again, one of the most bullish patterns I've ever seen in my life, or one of the most bullish charts. It's showing up on the quarterly chart. It's showing up on the weekly chart. You know, right? You got a mini cup and handle, then you got the big mother of all cup and handles, and you've got the daily cup and handle. So it is just such a beautiful bullish formation. And so without news, without, you know, anyone saying anything, all you needed to know was the freaking charts, guys. I mean, that's really it. So we just explained everything we did in literally 6 minutes. Now, any other channel would have taken 50 minutes to explain to you what I've explained to you. So for that reason, I do believe you should be subscribed to this channel, because here we do not waste your time. We're concise, to the point, and we want to give you the best ideas and opportunities. Now, guys, if you need help placing this trade on gold or actually profiting on it, maybe you don't have the confidence to pull the trigger, you can schedule a free 20-minute call and I can help you with that. That being said, if you're someone who understands the importance of charts and you're looking to expand your knowledge and skill in this area, I would highly recommend our charts training. It is super helpful. It's going to drastically improve your profitability if you're a trader or investor. That being said, final thing that can really help you if you're a subscriber on this channel is our WhatsApp group invitation. I'm going to leave this pinned in the comment section down below. When you click on this link, important thing to understand is that after filling out this information, you have to check your email to actually get the invitation to our WhatsApp group. So take advantage of this free benefit you have as a subscriber. And most importantly, guys, schedule that 20-minute call if you need help. We're not here to sell you shit on this call unless you want to talk about joining our program. We are genuinely just going to help you improve and patch up any holes you might have with specific questions that are going to help us get you in the right direction. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been our gold prediction and analysis. It's time to get bullish. It's time to go higher. This is Alex from Crash Trading. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.